Oh, dude, it wasn't recording. Dude, by the way, we missed like 30 seconds of it. It was going on much longer before. Oh, come on, keep going, baby. Yeah.
Ow!
Bring out the beast. Ooh. Ooh. What up? It's the beast. I didn't get that. The hell of
rolling.
You might need to hit up some more ice on that thing there.
Alright.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Some fat rims for this thing.
308 big boy.
Hey, break up that accelerator. This thing was hella weird. It like speeds up and stuff. I think you just hit it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's alright. It's alright.
Doesn't even matter, dude.
It's tough.
So
it's the beast, dude.
So tough.
We do what we want.
Beast.
We're going after the record.
The beastie.
Oh, it's speeding up.
Yeah, dude, getting the rhythm. Drop a beat. Oh, come on. Keep going.
That is a sweet shot right there, dude.
Alright, some more.
Oh, there's water coming out of it.
Yeah, I know.
Here, brush the water off.
And there's water coming out.
Brush the water off. Not with that thing, dude.
There we go.
Yeah, this is hydroponics.
We can run a dam with this.
Yeah. Whatever that means, bro.
Oh! Are you kidding me?
It's full with water.
Oh, dude, they have tape.
No, dude, this is full with water. I can see it bubbling.
Is that what? Yeah, that's what it is, dude. It's full of water.
Yeah, here, okay.
Oh!
What?
Yeah, it's full of water.